This is how to receive USDT into your Trust wallet. So we need to find the deposit address for USDT on the Tron blockchain, and that's easy enough. So in the home page, bottom left, you can click home. You want to press receive, and then you can choose the asset that you want to receive and the chain that you want to receive it on. So that's in the middle here, press receive, and we have to find the asset that we want. Now, we have to find the blockchain to get our address. It's not in the biggest blockchains that you need to choose. So click the drop down on the right hand side here, and we want to look at the Tron network, right? So click that, and then it's going to give us the address details of the assets that we might want to receive. Notice that the two assets that are popular here are TRX, which is the layer 1 coin of the Tron blockchain, and then USDT, which most people want to send around on there. The other way to do this is to search USDT, and you can see we're using the Tron blockchain here, right? So on the right hand side, you definitely want to click Tron, because the deposit address in your Trust wallet is different to the other blockchains. So 100%, if you want to receive USDT on Tron, make sure you are looking at your Tron network address, right? So click that, make sure that that's on. And then right here, you can see USDT. So I can press this. This is my deposit address. The QR code is fine if you want to send that to someone, or the long address, which is numbers and letters here, you can send that to someone as well. So what I'm going to do is copy this. That's copied, and then I can use this address to send the USDT to myself, or if you want to give that address to someone else, then they can send it to this address and it's going to be received into your Trust wallet address. I'll show you how to send USDT from a centralized exchange into your Trust wallet. So we've got our Tron blockchain address, we copied that, and then we can send assets to it. So in my centralized exchange, I'm going to choose the asset that I want to send, which is USDT. So I'll click that. Up at the top, I'll press withdraw. You want to withdraw crypto via a blockchain network. That's what we're doing. So press withdraw crypto. And then from here, choose the way that you're sending it. I'm sending it to myself in my Trust wallet, and that's an unhosted wallet, right? So I'm not sending it to another exchange. I'm sending it to myself. So unhosted wallet, and then choose the network that you want to use. Well, I copied my Tron address, right? So I'm going to have to use a Tron blockchain. So press Tron TRC20, paste in the address. Now this is the address that I copied. This is my Trust wallet address. So that's where the USDT will be sent. Press next here. Just choose how much you want to send over. So once you've got your address, then wherever the USDT is, you can send it over. If you're using a centralized exchange, make sure you use the Tron blockchain, because that's where you want to receive it. Now, if someone has USDT on the Tron blockchain already, they can use their wallet just to send it to your address. When you receive the USDT into your Trust wallet, it should automatically come up as a balance here. If you can't see it, then you can add the asset manually. So what you want to do is scroll down on the page, and you can see Manage Crypto here, this icon. Now, if I press View Less, you can't see it. So press View All. You can see Manage Crypto. Press that. Go and search for the asset that you want to add. So I want to add USDT on the Tron blockchain. So I'm going to scroll across, click Tron like this, search for USDT. You can toggle this on. So the balances of USDT in my wallet will be shown to me. If I don't have a balance, it will still be there as 0. And if I do have a balance, then it will automatically show for me. If you receive USDT on the Tron blockchain, that's fine, and you'll get it in your wallet. However, if you want to send it out again in the future and use the Tron blockchain, then you have to pay blockchain fees with TRX tokens. So if you just have USDT in your wallet on the Tron blockchain and you don't have any TRX, there's going to be an issue if you want to send the USDT back out again, because you pay for transaction fees with TRX token. So if you've got USDT in your wallet, that's fine. If you want to send it out, you also need some TRX token. You need a few dollars of that to send transactions out. So if you're having issues sending USDT out of your Tron wallet on the Trust wallet, then that means you don't have any TRX to pay for the gas fees. So you'll need to buy that or send some TRX to yourself into your Trust wallet. And then once you have enough TRX to actually pay for fees, you can send the USDT out of your wallet again if you want to do that in the future.